Hello everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I am out doing a couple windows for somebody and then doing some chairs and then a couple rooms of carpet inside the house. So I just wanted to show you what I'm doing for these screens. I have this screen cleaner, which is amazing. As you can see, I put my image on it, but the company that makes this particular screen cleaner, it's called Aztec. Should be able to find it on Google if you happen to be interested in one of these. But as you can see, the little legs flip out, so hold it. Water source comes in the bottom here. Then there's a shut-off valve right there to keep the water from coming through when you're not using it. There is a more expensive one, I believe, that has a foot pedal that you can tap to turn the water on and off, so you don't have to flip the shut-off valve for a little ease of access. But I didn't get that one because I don't do windows often enough to feel the need for it. But you can see these screens are really dirty, need a lot of work. So they are solar screens. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with one hand, but I will see if I can do this and show you guys. So normally, before getting this, what I would have to do is get a horsehair brush and brush them first. Get all the dust off first, or loose dust off first, and then rinse them off with a hose with a trigger on it, and then whip the water off, and of course wipe them down, all the frames, and go from there. Whereas now, mind you, I could go a little faster with both hands. Do this, scrub it, and then whip the water off and wipe it down. So when I did a house that had about 32 windows, I found that it saved me at least probably 15-20 minutes on cleaning those screens. So you can imagine, if you're a window cleaner and that's mainly what you do, how much time that could save you in your route. extra 15 to 30 minutes a job, once you get used to it, makes a difference. And they still get thoroughly cleaned. It's very rare that you'll have one bad enough to where you need to do it by hand. And of course, this comes with, you see the water spraying right there. There's two openings on it that spray the water out, kind of in the middle and top. You can add more holes to it. I read that. That's not a problem, so you can get more water flow through top down of the brushes. Like I said, I don't do a daily window route, so it's not something I've made the modification for yet to do so. But this thing paid for itself after, I'd say 3 jobs of your time. So just imagine if this was your daily go-to for screen cleaning. I mean, how awesome is that? And of course, I just put my name on it because, well, why not? But at the same time, you're usually doing these out front, right? So people driving by will see this, and I've had some people say it was such a cool tool to use. So I figured put my name on it. That way people see it another time outside of me giving them the business card or my van, which is across the way there. I'll be backing up to do the carpet and upholstery too. So just wanted to show you guys this. It's a Aztec screen cleaner. You should be able to Google that and pop it up. I believe that's how I found it after I read about it from some other window cleaners and decided to get it. This is Pretty well built, as you can see. Did a great job. I'm happy with it. Worth the money in my opinion. There is another one, like I said, a different company that makes it. It's a little bit more money, basically the same exact thing. Except I believe, if I'm not mistaken, there's that foot switch you can use to shut the water off, so you don't have to do it by hand with the shutoff valve. So that's one of the main differences. Otherwise, I think they're pretty much the same build. But if you think that's pretty cool, I definitely highly suggest picking one up, because these solar screens, you know, are a little harder to clean. So it makes it a lot easier. So I just got to whip the water off and then dry it, the frame and all that, and then I'll be done. So usually you can knock out a screen in 30 seconds or less, maybe less than that, maybe 15 seconds if you got both hands working at it and scrubbing it real quick. Especially regular screens, those go quicker too. But just thought I'd share this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave me a comment, thumbs up. Let me know what you thought. If you think this is something that could benefit you, I would definitely get it. Nolan with Black Diamond, thanks again. Have a great day.